At home, Lyney's always showing me his magic tricks. Whenever I smile, he grins excitedly and says the audience is definitely going to love this one. Do I really smile so rarely? Lyney is our team leader and acts like everyone's older brother. But I can tell that he puts on a brave face sometimes. I tried to talk to him about it once, told him that he doesn't need to wear a mask all the time. But he denied it, and we ended up having an argument. Since then, I've never brought it up with him again.